So number one, we make sure that all our employees are vaccinated, and we definitely talking to clients these days. Some clients care for employees to be with masks, and some don't care about it. So for the clients who cares, we make sure that our employees are wearing masks at the time of working there, and we try to isolate the working area as much as we can with plastic barriers and making sure that all the areas are detached from the client. So if we have a client that is inside the house, we try to create a plastic barrier between our employees and the client, and making sure that this way there is, some safety zone or safety area that even if our employees, on their way to work, got corona from somebody else, then they will be fine. In addition to that, we're making sure to follow up on all protocols that the government is issuing, and in the more stricter days, we did everything per protocol, and obviously now we're following it as well. Improving people's life, that's the honest truth. I like to create a new environment to people. My company is doing design build, so I have a team of designers that I'm working with, and I love to see a house looking one way and then coming to life on the paper, and then eventually, actually, when we build it, we make the house come to reality. And when we see the smile on our clients' faces, that's really what makes us happy, to see that, yes, we got a reward, we got paid for the job, but our clients' life was improved and they're living in their dream home. And, depends if they have kids or not, sometimes facilitating for their kids. With all their needs, whether it's special amenities or no specialties of any kind that needed. So at the end of the day, we really happy to see our clients enjoying their homes and happy about it. So high quality does not mean just workmanship. It is workmanship, however, not just workmanship. So scheduling is something that ensuring high quality of a project. Communication with the client. So we put our clients together with us on text groups like WhatsApp. We're creating a chat room for the job where the client can convey all his messages, and then everybody on the team can get that message and actually understand what's going on. So because a lot of times in some other companies I see and I hear from clients that they say one thing to the owner or to the estimator, and at the end of the day the guys don't know anything about it. But what we create an environment that is let's call it a global environment for that project. So everybody that is involved in the project is aware in real time of what's happening. Definitely ordering material in advance, especially these days that there is lack of deliverables by vendors. We try to acquire everything ahead of time, so there is minimum or no downtime at all at the job. In addition to that, our technicians, all of them are very, very qualified, very polite, very quiet, very organized, very clean. And it is a pleasure every time to hear back from clients, oh, your guys are great. So those things all together makes us to be the perfect company for a perfect projects. And we're making sure that the quality is not being delivered just in the construction itself, but also in the experience that our clients have while they are going through the process. As everybody knows, construction process is long, tedious, and not always enjoyable. So we try to make it as joyful and fun to the clients as much as possible by not creating hurdles. So, we work with many different customers, but the most enjoyable project, or one of the most enjoyable projects, is one I'm doing right now. the client is very flexible and very helpful. Um, he's coming from the high tech industry, and even though that the high tech industry is very demanding, whenever we have any issues or anything like that, we do give the reasoning, we do explain, we do fix everything that needs to be fixed, even if it's not our issue. Um, and he's very pleasant. There are all kinds of different people in this market that we work for. Some are more pleasant, some are less. But all in all, it's really fun to work with somebody who can be actually like a team and work with us as a team. Definitely, our company is and need to be a team player. But when you work with a client, it's not just you doing the job and he needs to pay you. It has to be a teamwork, and whether it's the design, whether it's issuing the design, where it's because when you put it on paper, it's one thing. It's most of the time it's very easy to convert what's on the paper to what's on site, but sometimes there are challenges that once you open the wall, you find out all kind of things. Like right now, we found out that the continuous beam is actually spliced to two beams, and now we have to come with the solution. So we went to the client, we spoke to him, we worked with him together on and shared with him what the issue is and how we're going to resolve it. We contacted the engineer, and the client is very pleasant to work with. So it's not important only that your contractor will be pleasant. It's important to work also with pleasant people, which most of the time we're very, 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 very lucky. I want to say 99% of the time we got lucky to work with pleasant people. We try to let our potential customer know that it's not me and my team, it's us, the client itself. If he will come and work with us, he will be part of the team, he will be involved, he will see the process, he will have obviously a say of what he wants and what he needs, and we will work on it together as a team. It's very important to work together with the clients versus coming and doing drawings, coming around and showing them this, that, the other, and then to say, here, this is what it is. This is what you paid for. We're very flexible. We always offering trade-offs. This is very important because people should have all the flexibility in their lives to do changes and change what was on the design if they want to change it, or to give them better options, to have more new resources. We have a lot of resources that we can actually give our clients and have them choose from, and maybe even reduce budget, even though that the budget was already determined in advance. A lot of times I come with ideas and I say, you know what, even though we quoted it per plan because we're bidding against other people, actually I have a suggestion. Here is an equivalent material that is very highly recommended as well, and will do the same job, but it will cost, for example, half or three quarter of what the other material will cost. Or the installation is much easier and will save you time on installation, and that's how we can save you money. So we always try to be a team player, to help people have choices, and to be very, very, very flexible. So that's what we try to convey to our new customers, so they understand that we are working with them, we are there as a team, and we're not there just to come and throw numbers at them. We're there all throughout the process to give solutions, to give better product, or easier way or faster way to do things without compromising on quality. I think my company is different by having most of the people working on the project from inside the company. So our most of the job in our company is being done by our own employees versus subcontractors. That makes us different because we have control of quality, we have control on scheduling. These days after pandemic, a lot of subcontractors don't deliver what they promise they will deliver, which creates a lot of issues. Thank God my company has no issues like that, because I want to say about 95% of our products, or the production, is being done in-house, and it's all by trained people. So that makes us different than others, by being able to control quality, being able to control deliverables, and being on time for our clients. We only rely on subs when we have to, and it doesn't happen too much.